Yagni Benta Jonga Kubor La One Rajpi Daga Fatafat Online Shopping Store.
Ki pulit jong kanong ba shalong kila yo ban kem no yo we Doktor Jrong Neigrihms samarla Shah Kem no Jrong Kti ya Ngut kilong kami. Uniu Doktor ubla Shah ujor ijahar Harinja Police Station udeu Dr. Jutan Chaudhary jong katana General Medicine Neigrihms. Ikong Claudia Lingwa, SP ke East Kazil District, ile thu bakat kum ke ijahar, laong bau new Doktor ule Jrong Kti kini ki Ngut kilong kami, haka por bikilej phasumar haka tege jaka.
Two ladies went to Neigrihms for their medical checkup, and after they finished their medical checkup, they must have gone back home. But it appears that when they reach home, they shared their experience of that medical checkup with some family members or whatever, and then it transpired that the family members told them, well, there was a discussion that it appears that this particular medical examination by the doctor was improper and should be reported. So because I think it took them a while to even talk, and so finally they came to us quite late in the night, yesterday evening, and filed a complaint at the Harinja Police Station. Immediately on receiving this complaint, we first sent the two ladies send them for the proper medical checkup at Ganeshdas Hospital, and then of course we had to record their statement and just ask them to just narrate everything, and then this morning we arrested the doctor and we have forwarded him to court, and he's now in judicial custody.